In today's video, I'll show you on how you can download and install texture packs on Geometry Dash. First things first, you want to get your texture packs downloaded to your device. If you don't know where to get them, just search for the Geometry Dash texture pack on your web browser. Head over to solubletexturepacks.com and then you can simply choose your texture pack. Now I'm going to be selecting the most popular texture pack, which is going to be this one. And then I'll click on the computer and then it will download right away. From here, you just want to extract your file or extract your WinRAR or RAR file. And basically from here, you can just open it up. Now this is going to be the most important folder in here. It contains everything that we need for our texture pack. You simply want to copy everything inside this folder. You then want to head over to your Steam if you're using Steam right here. Click Library, look for Geometry Dash. In my case, I'm just going to use this as an example. So look for Geometry Dash, click on Properties, click Installed Files, and then you want to click on the Browse option. But in my case, I have my Geometry Dash right here. So inside your Geometry Dash file location, just click on Resources. In here, you then want to paste everything that you have copied inside the downloaded texture pack. So I'll just click on paste and then you want to click on the replace the files in the destination. Wait for the page or wait for the process to finish loading, and from there, if we open up our Geometry Dash, it should go ahead and work perfectly. As you can see right here, we have successfully downloaded the texture pack for Geometry Dash. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.